Hey y'all, Jay here from Jay's Decor and Restore, and it's time for another holiday decor idea. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wreath with some things that you have in your home, and some you may have to buy at the dollar store, but it is super easy and it's super inexpensive and it's way cute. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, y'all, for this one, you're going to need lots of ornament balls. And I have a lot of these are ones that I haven't used in years, so that's what's in the basket. I bought some additional sleeves in gold because I wanted to mix the red and gold together, and I bought them at the Dollar Tree. And then a wire hanger, and you want the kind where you can actually unwind the top. So that is the kind of hanger you're going to use for this. And then a letter, and that's optional. I want to add a letter to this wreath, so I'm going to put that aside, and I'm going to go ahead and position my camera to get started on the actual wreath part. Okay, so you're going to start by taking your wire hanger and unwinding the top so that you're able to put the balls, slide the balls into the hanger. And then you're going to start shaping it into a round circle so that once you have your balls in there, it will be shaped into a circle of a wreath. Okay, so now once you have the hanger shaped into a circle, you're going to start sliding the balls in there. And there's no pattern that is right or wrong. You just put them in the different colors that you want to mix together. All right, so once you have all of your balls in your hanger, you want to make sure that you have them packed pretty close together so it covers the wire on the hanger. You're going to wind your hanger back the way it originally was so that you'll be able to use that to hang your wreath. Okay, so then I took a pipe cleaner, a sparkly red pipe cleaner to fit in with the whole decor of the wreath, and I started to wind it around the top of the wreath so that way it doesn't actually look just like a plain old wire hanger. So you can use whatever color that is going to match whatever ornament balls that you're using for your wreath. Now the letter I did buy at Michael's, I think it was like a little over $2 with my coupon. And I'm going to go ahead and use a gold glitter on it. So I'm going to Mod Podge the actual letter first, and then I'm going to sprinkle the glitter on top. Next, you simply sprinkle your glitter on top of the letter where you've Mod Podged. And don't forget that after you have let it dry, if you haven't seen some of my other videos before, you want to let it completely dry. And then you're going to take your Mod Podge and you're going to Mod Podge over the glitter so that it doesn't flake off whenever you touch it. Now, if you can see in the back of the letter, there are some hooks that I attached to it. It's some picture hooks. And that is what I'm going to use to adhere it to the actual wreath. It's kind of hard to glue it onto a wreath that is kind of bumpy. So it didn't, those were maybe a couple of dollars for a package of about 10. I would highly recommend going that method than trying to glue it to your wreath. Once your letter's dry, then you're going to take your pipe cleaner and just weave it through the picture hanger, and you're going to tie it onto your wreath. And then now you have a beautiful ball ornament wreath. Well, that's it for this time. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Until next week's holiday decor. Cheers.